Sigi Ahl, welcome here, Garage Repair, Milano Design Week. We met last year for EILEEN FISHER, and you had such an amazing presentation nearby here in Ventura Centrale. And we know that this year you are present with EILEEN FISHER in a different place. Can you tell us something about this performance?
Yes, absolutely. Last year we debuted with our project at the Ventura Centrale in a big tunnel with our first very colorful work of wall hangings. This time we decided to do the opposite, become very intimate and show in a small setting how we have continued our work. So what we're actually showing are textile wall hangings, basically artwork, painting with old clothes, basically, and they actually are showing our experimental work with recycled clothes, used clothes, textile waste that would actually usually end up in landfill. And we found a way to create new beautiful fabric from those waste garments. The company who supports this experimental innovative program is EILEEN FISHER, an American fashion brand. The company founder, EILEEN FISHER, is the company is about over 35 years old, and along with Patagonia in the US, she's considered one of the forerunners of brands who address the issues in the textile industry. And she, 10 years ago, in 2009, she set up a recycle program where she started buying back her customers used clothes. So now it's 10 years later, and we have collected from our customers over 1.3 million garments. So she funds a program to and tasked me and some other people. We are like the innovative part of the company, and tasked to find a solution about textile waste. Altogether, the company actually uses various, has a sustainability mission, and is using more and more organic cotton, using licensed healthy dyes, is trying to make a lot of changes in the industry and wants to be by next year. We have a Vision 2020 where our whole new collection, as well as everything we do, is completely sustainable, and we're almost there, and we will be meeting our target very likely by next year. So, and my program is part of this endeavor.
We know that you are a talented painter, and I wonder how can you match your business part of your job along with the creative? I mean, do you have time to do your own paintings?
Well, I do paintings, and that is the time I work in. So that's a wonderful situation where as an artist, and I think many artists are, I'm happiest and best as a creative problem solver. And I think that's what artists actually do. So my medium is painting. This is how I started out when I was young. But here, it is also about a creative problem solution, what you do with textile waste. So And I'm in the fortunate position to experiment, and that's where the artist, every artist will understand that, where they have the freedom to experiment and discover something. And that's the wonderful situation I am in, and I found this technology that allows creating painting with used clothes. So that's basically what I am doing. But it's not only about the art. So the art is only there because I come from painting, and I realized the technology that I have discovered is very useful to repurpose used clothing actually creates incredibly beautiful designs. And the first billboards and message carriers for what we can do with waste are those paintings with old clothes. And this is what we show at Rosanna Orlandi's gallery. And so they show a beauty and an enormous design potential of working with old clothes and this particular technology of needle punching. But beyond that, it's not only about the art, and that's the creative solution, goes further. It's that we can actually, I have a program now. I started last year with 2 people.
Yeah.
I hired 2 people, now I have 10 people, and we are a whole workshop in a factory. And so we are creating the art, we are creating, working with architects in public spaces, creating wall installations, and that's very useful for public spaces for sound dampening. But we're also developing the felt-like fabric for product applications. So I have a fashion designer, I have a textile designer. We are creating, developing fabric for rugs. We're developing fabric for bags and pouches, for hats, coats.
Nice.
And that is, it's artisanal, beautiful design work. It creates one-of-a-kind pieces, but it is scalable to a large degree, and that's a great solution of what to do with textile waste, rather than throwing it into landfill or sending it to poorer countries where it impacts their landfill or in their industries, their own industries and economies. So, and we're doing that in New York.
We are inside garage, so let's boast our creativity. How would you embellish a space like this if you had the opportunity? Embellish or recycle? It's have you ever tried to do something for weird place?
You know what? I think this is a beautiful place. I think where human work and labor is happening, and it should look like it needs to look. This is a great workshop, and people have their tools, people have that knowledge and expertise of how to work old cars and make them more beautiful. I think this is absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
And they know how to do it. So I would have nothing to embellish this place, actually, because I think it's beautiful because of its authentic way and work environment. So my factory looks similar.
Oh, really? Nice.
Yeah, we have a big machine, and in the factory we work with rubber gloves and use screwdrivers and push the button and run hard things, run the fabrics through, and it's loud. So it's a different trade, ours, but it looks similarly. So we need our tools handy, we need our our shelves with the with the garments and sorted by color. We need them handy, and the scissors, and it's I think
you like so, and have you ever been these days? Did you have the chance to visit an art show here in Milano, and which is your favorite?
You're asking me this too early. Up until today, I've been working in setting up the show and working in our own space. And I haven't seen much. So now, after my interview with you, I'll go and look at certain spaces.
And I will be with you.
Yes.
Thank you for coming. Sigi Ahl for EILEEN FISHER event. Can we remind where is the event for Design Week in Galleria?
It's Galleria Rosanna Orlandi, and our title is called Waste No More.
Okay. Stay tuned. The Italian Way, Simona Cochi, Sigi Ahl. Thank you.